State Agriculture Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh said that she will advocate on the need to expand the jackfruit mission in the state. Talking to reporters after formally inaugurating the one-day event on the sale of jackfruit products, which has been named as JAGSTAR 2023, held at the State Convention Centre, she said that there is a need to extend this mission, which is on the final year of its implementation, looking as to how the farmers has benefited from it. She further stated that she will impress Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma if the Jackfruit Mission 2.0 can be launched next year.
Looking at all these items and hearing the potential value of jackfruit even for pharmaceutical usage is something which has given me a lot of understanding, and I feel that in any mission that the state embarks upon, it is important for the state to have a continuity, and a 5-year mission likely will be inadequate time for us to evaluate the kind of entrepreneurship that is generated out of a mission.